Hello and welcome to Galecto Biotech. We're a Swedish biotech company located in Copenhagen, Denmark. We develop galectin inhibitors, small molecules that have a huge impact on fibrosis, inflammation and cancer. Our lead product is in clinical testing right now. It's an inhaled small molecule dry powder for pulmonary fibrosis. Pulmonary fibrosis is an indication that has a very bad prognosis. These patients who are typically 50 years or older have a life expectancy of 2 to 5 years from diagnosis. And currently there are 2 treatments approved in US and Europe that slow progression of the disease but have considerable side effects. So there's a huge unmet medical need. It's very clear that better treatments are needed. We believe that by giving our compounds as an inhaled, we have an attractive solution. We treat the disease where it is, in the lungs, with limited systemic exposure, so limited side effects. Actually, we haven't seen any significant side effects in neither our tox studies nor in our early clinical trials. We also believe that we have a superior mode of action because our compounds interfere with both macrophages and fibroblasts, the 2 key cell types that drive fibrosis, that form the scar tissue in the organ that limits the lung function or ultimately kills the patients. So by targeting both cell types, we believe that we have a better chance of really changing the course of the disease and give patients not only a longer life, but also a better quality of life with better lung function. So the research behind Galecto comes from Lund University in Sweden and Edinburgh University in the UK. And it's really an example of how open research, where university researchers help each other out, how that can accelerate a program. And we have done the same since the company was founded in late 2011. We are very open to collaborating with research groups around the world. And we are generating new and exciting data on almost a monthly basis because of that. We operate as a virtual company. We have 6 people in the organization, 2 in Denmark, 1 in Sweden, 1 in England, and 2 in Canada. So we try to find the best people for the jobs that we have and get them to work, of course, in collaboration. So we spend a lot of time on the phone and TCs, but we believe it's a very effective way of running biotech, working with CROs, working with universities, and finding the best providers around the world. Galecto entered into an option agreement with Bristol Myers Squibb in late 2014, where we are now preparing our lead product for clinical phase 2 testing. And once that data package is completed, BMS has an opportunity to buy the entire company for a fixed price. That's a very attractive price for our investors. So our goal right now is to develop towards this option strike of BMS. But of course, we also have to prepare for a life without BMS if they decide for whatever reason not to strike on the option. So irrespective of that, it's very clear that we have to run a successful clinical trial, show that our compound is safe and it's tolerable for patients, but also we hope to show early signs of efficacy in terms of biomarkers in our clinical trial. I know you never had money fans, like just enough to cover it.